I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by identifying the app and ensuring prerequisites are ready: device model, OS version, and whether you can modify settings. Once done, back up any app data so you can restore if needed. Now force stop the app and disable background sync to prevent immediate data transfers. Make sure to grant yourself time to change settings without network activity. Doing this step first avoids wasting data while you apply restrictive rules. Next, go into System Settings and enable Data Saver or Low Data mode, then explicitly restrict background data for the target app to stop background transfers. Also open the app's permission pane and revoke cellular data, background refresh, and any location or sync permissions you don't need. If the app supports an offline mode or manual sync, switch it on and make sure auto updates are disabled. These controls reduce network access and prevent unexpected uploads or downloads while you continue. Finally, enforce the block at the network level. Install a firewall app or edit your device host file, or create router rules to block the app's domains and ports so it cannot reach servers. Once implemented, monitor data usage and logs for 24 hours to confirm the block works and the app remains functional offline. If something breaks, re-enable services one at a time to isolate the cause. That troubleshooting step helps you restore needed features without opening full network access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.